Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to mute notifications from people you don't follow in X. If you're looking to customize your notification settings and avoid distractions from users you don't follow, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll take you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be directed to the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon, typically positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, find and tap on Setting and Privacy. This will navigate you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Privacy and Safety and select Account Information. This section allows you to adjust privacy preferences and safety settings related to your account. Step 6. Within the Account Information section, locate and tap on Mute and Block. This option empowers you to control notifications and block unwanted accounts. Step 7. In the Mute and Block menu, find and tap on Muted Notifications. Step 8. Finally, toggle the You Don't Follow option. By enabling this setting, you will mute notifications from people you don't follow on X. Congratulations! You have successfully muted notifications from people you don't follow on X, ensuring a more personalized and focused experience on the platform. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be free from unwanted notifications.